I'm Mark Meyer, and I'm the president of OnGuard Systems. I've prepared a short statement for your consideration. Similar to you, I'm a spouse, a father, a son, a brother, a friend, and I'm your neighbor. I'm making this video because many are scared about the spread of the virus, and I feel like some simple, straightforward information might be helpful to you, your family, and our communities at large. Because I'm a member of the remediation and restoration industry, we know too well that during emergencies, fly-by-night companies come out of the woodwork to prey on those who don't know better. Quite frankly, this video is being made in an attempt to make sure that those people never take advantage of you, so let's get started. First, if someone's trying to sell you a magic chemical or a treatment that will kill the coronavirus through a simple spray, fog, or mist application, this is not true. The first step to disinfection is cleaning. Cleaning is a laborious process that requires the consideration of your hard surfaces, touch points, and soft surfaces. Single-step disinfection is a myth, and you shouldn't buy into it. Second, cleaning does not require an EPA-registered product. Creating a clean surface is about removing soiling from the surface, not killing microorganisms. Whether you're intending to establish a cleaner home, office, or facility yourself, or whether you're hiring someone to do it, make sure that a thorough cleaning comes first. Third, a disinfectant, antimicrobial, or any other product that is used to kill or inhibit viral, bacterial, or any other growth must be registered with the EPA. While the use of EPA-registered products are not a 100% guarantee against microbial contaminants, their use instructions and dwell times have been tested and proven for effectiveness. But remember, this step comes after all surfaces are clean. I hope this quick guide is helpful to you. Please share this with your friends, family, and neighbors. By sharing good information, we can overcome this outbreak more quickly so that we can return to the hugs, handshakes, touches, and nudges that make life so rich.